In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential when you need to adjust a customer's invoice or issue a refund, and it's quite straightforward. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome for the best experience, but any modern browser will work. Head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're there, log in using your QuickBooks Online account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there is a handy Forgot Password link that you can click to reset it. Now that you're logged into your QuickBooks Online dashboard, let's create a new transaction by heading to the plus New button, which you'll find comfortably positioned at the top left of your screen. Clicking this button will reveal several transaction options, and because we're focusing on issuing a credit memo today, you'll want to look under the customer section. Give credit memo a click to open up the credit memo form. With the credit memo form now in front of you, we can start filling out the necessary details. First, you'll need to select the customer this credit memo is for. A quick click on the customer dropdown will present a list of your existing customers, making selection a breeze. After your customer is selected, fill in the credit memo date. This is important for your accounting records as it informs QuickBooks when the credit memo was issued. Next, let's add the specifics of what this memo covers. You'll need to detail the products or services being credited. Be sure to accurately enter the quantity and price for each. This ensures that the value of credit is correctly calculated and applied. Additionally, it's always a good practice to provide a description or message to your customer explaining the reason for the credit. This extra step can prevent any confusion or inquiries from your customer later on. Once you've carefully entered all these details, you'll want to save the credit memo. You have a couple of options. Click Save and Close if you're done and there's nothing more to send, or choose Save and Send if you'd like the credit memo to be emailed directly to your customer's inbox. Now, if you need to apply this credit memo to an outstanding invoice, QuickBooks makes it pretty straightforward. Head back to the plus New button and select Receive Payment from the menu. After you select the appropriate customer, QuickBooks will display any available credits that can be applied. At this point, simply apply the credit memo to adjust the invoice balance, which can really streamline your accounts receivable process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and applying credit memos in QuickBooks Online. This process not only helps in maintaining accurate records, but also keeps your customer transactions professional and streamlined. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips.